In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tabs from your Google Chrome homepage. If you've ever opened your browser only to be greeted by a clutter of tabs that you never meant to have open, you're not alone. Keeping your digital workspace clean can help you focus and improve your browsing experience. So, let's dive into this simple yet effective process to manage those unwanted tabs in Google Chrome. First, let's talk about the most straightforward method. Simply clicking the X on each of the tabs you wish to close. This small X can usually be found on the upper right corner of each tab. This direct action is the quickest way to declutter your browser instantly, as it closes the tab, removing it from view and from using up system memory. This method is ideal if you have a few tabs that you've determined you no longer need. As you perform this action, it's a good habit to take a brief second to glance at each tab before closing it, just to confirm it doesn't contain any information you might have wanted to bookmark or revisit. If you often find yourself closing tabs right away, you might want to consider using bookmark folders to organize pages instead of keeping them open as tabs. One thing to note is that if you accidentally close a tab with important information, Google Chrome allows you to reopen closed tabs. You can do this by right-clicking on the tab bar and selecting Reopen Closed tab, or by pressing Ctrl+Shift+T on your keyboard. This little trick can save the day if a tab was mistakenly closed, giving you peace of mind as you clean up your browser. However, if this manual approach seems too repetitive or cumbersome, think about using extensions designed to manage tabs effortlessly. Extensions can auto-close unused tabs after a certain period or group similar tabs together, streamlining your browser management. Chrome's web store is a great resource for these types of productivity tools. To wrap up, regularly tidying your open tabs can have a notable positive impact on how efficiently you use your browser. It keeps your workspace clear and your computer running smoothly by reducing memory usage. Remember, while it's effective to close tabs one by one manually, leveraging browser extensions for tab management can further enhance your browsing experience, especially if you're dealing with a large number of tabs. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and encourage you to incorporate these practices into your routine for a more organized digital life. Thank you for watching and have a great day navigating a cleaner Google Chrome.